This is the best thing since sliced bread.
In the remote Yasawa group of Fiji, all education used to stop when the sun went down, or when the diesel ran out. For the 121 students at Ratu Naivalu Memorial School, reliable energy wasn't a convenience. It was a luxury they could rarely afford. Through our partnership with the It's Time Foundation, we're helping power schools in Fiji, supporting students and education where it's needed most. This project marked a historic milestone, the Pacific's first all-female solar installation team. They are engineering a future that is as inclusive as it is resilient. Our lithium ferro phosphate, LFP chemistry, is ideal for these environments. It's non-toxic, safer, and handles the tropical heat, minimizing thermal runaway. These batteries store abundant solar energy to provide 24-hour power, even during the most unpredictable weather. The impact is life-changing. By replacing diesel with solar and battery storage, the school has created decades of cash flow. Those savings are now redirected toward school supplies, laptops, and teacher salaries.
Hey there to all of my friends at Briggs Stratton who've been supporting us for the last 7 years now. It's the Goyan team. The contractors think this is the best thing since sliced bread. These stackable 6.6 batteries. It's a complete game changer. And again, there's a big shout out to everyone in the team for the support that they've given us over the time. Hugely appreciated. Cheers.
Thank you so much for these sophisticated materials that has been donated to our school. It's been really helpful, and now we are up and running with our electricity 24/7. Once again, thank you so much. Winaka from Namara Village School in the Yasawa Islands, Fiji. Thank you.
When I grow up, I want to be an electrician.